Hello, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. This is Kisi Tech at your service, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. We're about to embark on an exciting journey into the world of Infinix, a brand that's been making waves in the consumer electronics market with innovative design, powerful features, and affordable prices. Specifically, today, we're shining the spotlight on the Infinix Note 30 VIP, a device that has truly set new standards in the smartphone industry. If you're one of the proud owners of this stellar smartphone, then you know that it's more than just a phone. It's a powerful tool for productivity, entertainment, and staying connected. With its sleek design, impressive performance, and cutting-edge features, the Infinix Note 30 VIP has become a favorite among tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike. But, like any electronic device, it's not immune to the occasional mishap. Today, we're going to focus on a crucial aspect of smartphone maintenance, the LCD replacement. Yes, you heard that right. If your Infinix Note 30 VIP has suffered a cracked or malfunctioning LCD screen, don't worry, we've got you covered. Whether it's due to accidental drops, impact damage, or just general wear and tear, a damaged LCD can significantly affect your device's usability and overall experience. But with the right knowledge and tools, you can restore your device to its original glory. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about LCD replacement for the Infinix Note 30 VIP. We'll discuss the signs that indicate your screen needs replacement, the tools required for the job, step-by-step instructions on how to perform the replacement safely, and tips for ensuring the best results. We'll also talk about the importance of quality replacement screens and where to find genuine parts. Product links are in the description below. Now, before we get started, I want to emphasize that replacing an LCD screen is a delicate process. If you're not experienced with smartphone repairs, it might be best to seek professional help to avoid further damage. However, for those of you who are tech-savvy and eager to learn, this guide will serve as a valuable resource. So, why is LCD replacement so important? Well, the LCD, liquid crystal display, is the heart of your smartphone's visual interface. It displays everything from your home screen and apps to videos and photos. A damaged LCD not only hampers visibility, but can also lead to further issues like touch sensitivity problems or dead pixels. Replacing the LCD restores not just the appearance of your device, but also its functionality. In the coming sections, we'll cover the entire process from start to finish. We'll begin by identifying the signs that your LCD needs replacing, then move on to preparing the right tools and workspace. We'll carefully guide you through the disassembly process, removal of the damaged screen, and installation of the new LCD. Plus, we'll share some pro tips to make the process smoother and safer. Remember, investing in a quality replacement LCD is crucial. Cheap or counterfeit parts might save you money initially, but they often result in poor display quality, touch sensitivity issues, or even damage to other components. Always opt for genuine or high-quality third-party parts from trusted suppliers. Links in the description. Finally, don't forget to back up your data before attempting any repairs. Though LCD replacement is generally safe if done carefully, unexpected issues can arise, and it's always best to safeguard your important files. Alright, tech lovers, that's a quick overview of what we're about to dive into. If you're ready to bring your Infinix Note 30 VIP back to life, or simply curious about the process, stay tuned. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech tips and reviews. Let's get started with how to identify if your LCD needs a replacement and move forward from there. And remember, for the best quality replacement parts, check the product links in the description below. Now let's jump right into it. Professional versus DIY repair? While DIY repair kits are available, they come with risks like damaging internal components or voiding your warranty. For most users, seeking professional repair services is recommended to ensure safety and quality. Certified technicians have the proper tools and expertise to handle delicate components, ensuring your device is restored to its original condition. Where to get your LCD replaced? If you're looking for a reliable and affordable solution, our product link in the description offers high-quality LCD replacements compatible with the Infinix Note 30 VIP. We partner with trusted repair centers and suppliers to provide genuine parts quick turnaround times, and warranty-backed services. Final tips for maintaining your LCD. To extend the life of your Infinix Note 30 VIP's display, use a tempered glass screen protector. Keep your device in a protective case. Handle the device with care. Avoid pressing hard on the screen. Your Infinix Note 30 VIP is a powerful device packed with cutting-edge features, and keeping its display in pristine condition is essential for a seamless user experience. If you notice any issues with your LCD, don't delay. Consider a professional replacement using high-quality parts. Remember, the product link in the description is your gateway to reliable LCD replacements that restore your device's brilliance and responsiveness.